Hey everyone, we're going to do another inquiry lesson today where we keep going with our study of animals. We've been talking all about different characteristics of animals. We've been sorting and classifying animals, and last week we did fish, and this week we're going to be talking about worms during our science units. And then next week is Earth Day. April 22nd is Earth Day, where we come together and we talk about how we can help the Earth be a better place. So today we are really going to be focusing on this green question. Over the next 2 weeks, actually, we're going to be talking all about how can humans help animals. Before we can talk about how humans can help animals, we kind of have to talk about what it means to be an endangered species. So our learning target for today says, I can identify the various needs of animals. Then there's this question up here that says, what is an endangered species? Now, you've probably heard of the word extinct. Extinct means we do not have these kind of animals on Earth anymore. And the reason why you've probably heard of that is because I know a lot of kids in our class love dinosaurs, and dinosaurs are extinct. They don't really roam the earth anymore. So I found this cool little poster that kind of talks about a couple of the different things about endangered animals. There's a picture of me going like, oh man, why do we have to have so many endangered animals? Endangered animals are when the numbers of species of that animal becomes very, very low. So there's not that many of them anymore on Earth, and they're at the risk of becoming extinct. So remember, extinct means there are no more animals living of that species. And they haven't been able to find any living animals of that species for over 50 years. And if that happens, that means the animal is extinct. Then we have something called critically endangered or endangered. So critically endangered means that the species is facing extinction. That means that they might become extinct very, very soon because there's just not that many animals left on Earth. And endangered means that the species is in danger of becoming extinct. This kind of got cut off a little bit, but it means that they are kind of on the verge of becoming extinct because people aren't taking care of them very well. Or maybe something happens with their environment and they don't have the right amount of food or the right amount of shelter, and that really influences their ability to be able to live or not. I'm going to show you a video today where you're going to learn all about endangered species. And if some of you have done any reading on this, I have a feeling some of you have done some reading, or maybe you've watched some shows before to learn about extinct animals or endangered animals, you might know already that there's some animals that are endangered because people don't take care of them very well, or people don't take care of the earth very well, and then that affects how the animals are able to live. So you're going to watch this video, and it's got a whole bunch of really cool facts about different animals that are endangered, even though some of the facts are kind of sad about people not taking care of the animals and stuff. But the reason why I want to show you that is because I want you to be thinking while you're watching the video some reasons why you think animals are becoming endangered. So after you watch the video, you're going to write about one reason why some animals are becoming endangered, or why some animals are endangered. And it's really important for us to identify this so that we can figure out how to make the world better, and how we can learn to help animals and help the environment so that more animals don't become extinct.